What's up, traders? Welcome to another live stream from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. We will be doing a complete analysis of all the hottest pairs that you will be trading, we will be trading, and we are trading today. The market is extremely volatile. There are a couple of reasons. First of all, today NFP after half an hour, and we will be trade this NFP live in this channel. Smash the like button now, and also make sure you subscribe. We will be trading. If I have any trading opportunity, I will definitely let you know in this live stream, so make sure you stick till the end. At the end of this live stream, sometimes we find a good trading opportunity at the end, because the market normally become hot when New York session and London session merge together. So make sure you stick till the end and get ready. Make sure you smash the like button and also subscribe to the channel. There is a chat area on the somewhere in your screen. You can write any question you want to ask. You can anything you want to discuss. I see that Miraz have joined. Thank you, Miraz, for joining. Jason, how do you think of gold? Yes, we'll discuss all of them today. Gold, USD CAD is very hot today, so I will discuss gold. Let's first start USD CAD, because I find really interesting USD CAD, because there are some reasons. Tomorrow there will be high impact news release on USD and CAD together, and also today NFP. Now USD CAD, as I mentioned yesterday when this doji was forming, if you can remember. If you can't remember, you can go back to yesterday's live stream, watch that. That will really great education for your development. See, when, let me replay this one so that you can understand clearly. So why I told this and why we are trading this. See, when this candle was here, before my ending my live stream, what did I mention? That if this one closes as doji, we will be going short. So why did I say that? Let me explain. Today also I have posted analysis on USD CAD. It is very important. See, many of you are thinking buying. You are thinking the price is the bottom. It formed a doji or a hammer or whatever, so let's buy. It's not a good idea. Buying in a falling market. USD CAD is a falling market. CAD is getting stronger and stronger due to some fundamental reason. Now what happened with the USD CAD? Let me explain. Let me draw this one here. See, so what you see, that this is the support here, tested as resistance, and also this is the 4-hour chart, and we saw that USD CAD falling along this channel with the respecting this 20 period moving average along this channel, and the price broke this channel above and then closed back below with a stop loss hunting. So this is the hunting. This happen all the time in the market. And now when this doji form, this is a sign of another drop. Okay, so another sign of another drop. Many of you joined, I see. Thank you for Rabi for joining. Nelson, thank you. Ashok, thank you. UDCHF going up, no problem, we'll see about it. It should come down later. Nelson, thank you for joining. Let's see what's happening now. USD CAD, let's see what now with this doji, it tested this 20 period moving average, and then we expect it to drop. Now let's replay for the rest of the candle. What you saw, this is the replay of the candles, and now the price formed exactly the same kind of pattern. Now at this point, there is also one important thing you need to keep in mind. After this doji, see, back to back another lower high has been created with a bearish engulfer here. So with this bearish engulfer, it's a sell signal from here, and we are selling with our VIP members. If you want to join, there is a link in the description. You can go there, check it out. So with that being said, now USD CAD, if it breaks to the downside, I think that it will be another bigger move, because there will be tomorrow news release, and maybe until tomorrow or even after tomorrow or at the end of this month, because there will be also monthly close tomorrow. Let me not tomorrow, after tomorrow, So after the NFP and after the monthly close, we might see a reversal, but until now it is highly volatile and likely to drop. Thank you for all of you. Trader Boomer, thank you for joining. So I saw many of you have joined. If you are new to the channel, this is Forex Wizard Trading Academy. Every day we trade live with you. We listen to you, and also we analyze all the pairs, finding the trading opportunity, and also we share each other, discuss a lot of things. So make sure you smash the like button and also hit that red subscribe button if you haven't done yet. So every single day I live stream. So let's see what's with the AUD CHF. Now AUD CHF, I sent a sell signal, right? So let's see what's happening. You see now it's dropping after this bearish engulfer. AUD CHF drop. Now let me explain what might happen. Harpet Siddhi, thank you for joining. Kelly, US oil, sir, thank you. I'll do it now. Miras, thank you. Thank you for this. Good evening, Crypto XC. So US oil, USDC, UDCHF. Let's see US oil because it's related to CAD and Macula Luria. Thank you. Sorry if I misspell your name. Sometimes I feel difficulty in pronouncing name because different region has a different name. Sometimes it becomes difficult to pronounce. Euro USD, Harpit, will do all of them. Okay, so let's see, as we are discussing with the USD CAD, let's see US oil as well, which is related to USD CAD. Okay, USD CAD, as I told you, should be bearish and strongly bearish, but don't trade with a huge risk. It's very, very important that you manage your risk. Miraj from Pakistan, thank you for joining. So let's see US oil, what's happening now. US oil, see, we see this is the 4-hour chart. It looks like it is bullish. Okay, US oil bullish for a long time. So let me first look at the higher time frame and then we will be looking. So monthly, you see this is an extremely bullish market. We saw a long wick at the top. Okay, so this long wick you can interpret in two ways. The first thing you can interpret that, okay, this is a long wick, so might be rejection and will come down. Another thing, okay, there is a long wick means there is a retracement here for this candle and now ready to go up. Okay, so this is the technical part, but US oil is more sensitive to fundamental rather than technical. Technical also US oil obey, but in more of it sensitive to news release, it's sensitive to any kind of fundamental. And as you know that due to some crisis in war with the Russia and USA, UK, there's a lot of problem involved, and I don't involve in it. Always I stay away from problem. I'm a peaceful person. I do live streaming, but I try to read I pay attention, quiet my mind, and try to absorb information rather than getting affected by it. So US oil now bullish because of the fundamental reason. UNZD-CAD and ZUSD sure purity will do that, all of them. So US oil is bullish now. After in this bullish market we saw significant retracement. Let's see on the weekly. Now weekly as well, you saw weekly price came down here, tested this long wick candle. Now we see that buyers looks like buying. Daily, okay, daily after this doji, with this doji basically it has completed looks like an inverted head and shoulder in this level of trend line. Let me draw this trend line. So this is the trend line on US oil, and we saw that the price just been rejected from this trend line. That means that we slowly may see an uprise up to this level, or maybe new lower new higher high. So daily as well bullish. Now let's see 4 hour, what's happening on the 4 hour. Now on the 4 hour we saw also an inverse head and shoulder pattern, means that we could see an uprise, not guaranteed. Trading is not guaranteed ever. So this is the situation with the US oil, which is related to USD CAD. USD CAD as well bearish. If you see that hourly chart, what we see, double doji formation on the hourly chart. There is a double doji. So with the double doji, during this, after 20 minutes, there will be high impact news release, and we might see a spike to the upside, and then we should see a drop. So this is the situation with US oil and USD CAD. Now in the meantime, let me know in the chat section why you are trading. It's very important. Trading is not all about understanding candlestick, understanding fundamental and technical. Trading is more of understanding who you are, what's your emotion. So let me know in the chat section why you are trading. Let's see what's the reason you are trading. We'll discuss this slowly. Now let's see gold, what's happened. Now gold, what I see that after this move, what happened, let me show you on the monthly. I was looking at it. So gold basically came down here. You saw this is the monthly support zone, and we saw that gold primarily bounced from this very, very strong level of support. This is the monthly support, and we saw that gold primarily bounced. I think that it may not go a big move to the upside. Amma from Canada, thank you for joining. So what I think that gold will go up and down. Let's see what happened. Monthly is still closing. So what's happening, gold is basically in a sideway in this zone, and what I think, see, if that's how I normally trade. So if you see, this is the weekly candle. Now if this weekly candle on the gold closes here, that is when I will be trading a big short trade on the gold. Okay, currently it looks like it will go up for now. Okay, as you see that this is the monthly support zone, and gold buyers bought from here. And what I think, you see, this is, what kind of weekly candle I'm expected this current one, let me explain. So if we see that this weekly candle closes something like that, let's say like this. Okay, let me draw it here. Okay, so if I see, you see a weekly candle like this, okay, like this one here, if this red candle goes up and close here, then we might see another drop on the gold, and that is where the high probability trade comes. Keeping stop loss above, take profit here. So for now I think that it's in a sideway, but on the short term time frame it could rise up or it could drop from here. Let's see what happened after the NFP, then we will understand. Smash the like button now, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel to trade live every day. Now BTCs are next. Okay, crypto, Ethereum, also BTC. Let's see quickly BTC, what's happening with BTC. As I mentioned yesterday, BTC was bullish, and we saw that significant recovery on BTC price. Now let's see what's happening. Okay, this is the 4-hour time frame, and it's look like it's forming a pattern that is bearish. So let's see monthly. Okay, it's because the monthly and weekly close is coming. So normally that's what happened when you see, when the monthly or weekly closes, the price come down to retrace. So weekly, I think the less chance that the price, this is the weekly candle after 4 days will close. I don't think the price will directly go from here. Even if it wants to rise, it needs proper test of this level. You see there is a lot of dodges here. So if crypto, that means the BTC USD or Bitcoin want to be bullish, then Bitcoin likely to come down a little bit, retrace around this zone, and then should go rise. Or if it drops, then it will be a big drop, but less probability. As I told you that BTC USD, what's happening, let me show you on the monthly. Okay, BTC USD is looking like creating this channel for the long term. You see, this is the monthly chart, and this is the top of this channel, and I think that BTC USD will rise like this to this level, and then will come back to this level and like this way. Okay, the price normally moves like this. So this could be the future of BTC USD. That's in my experience, from my analysis, everything. I think that this is the situation with BTC USD, bullish for now, but due to the close, weekly and monthly close, we might see a bearish move for the retracement, because market never moves in a straight line. Market always move in a wavy pattern. So when you see that, you see there is a this level is broken in BTC USD on this is the daily chart, and we can expect a retracement for this move at least to this level, and from here we'll see how the price action is forming, then we'll think of buying. So for now it's bullish. Those who joined new, Kakulan, thank you for joining. Thank you for all of your support to this channel. If you are new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, press that bell notification. Every day we live stream, every day we provide trade signal live. In this live session we trade yeah, let's see, Harpreet, let's see, euro dollar, it's an important pair, euro dollar, GBP USD, GBP JPY. Yes, Ama, I will do that. All of them will check one by one. So first let's see euro dollar quickly, and then we'll go back to GBP and GBP pairs, GBP JPY and other pairs. So euro dollar, okay, so euro dollar has basically created a reversal pattern from here, and we see a spike to the upside. Let me see the multi-time frame, let me see monthly. Okay, so what's happening with euro dollar, you see this is a historically, look at how many month, this is the monthly chart, how many monthly, week, and this is where the trend changes. Okay, now what's happening, you see this is what happened normally when the price come this kind of level of support, the price creates this long wick candle. Now this long wick candle basically giving us another opportunity to trade. Smash the like button, we might find a good opportunity to trade on euro dollar if this monthly candle closes here. Okay, so let me draw this level. You see this is a very important level. Keep in mind, you see this green move, red move, all the red candle except this one. Okay, this green candle, and because the price is here, we might see this monthly candle closes. If this one closes here, we might see another move to the upside little bit, and from here we will see another big move to the downside, and it could be a good trade to take. So let's see weekly what's happening. Now this is the level that I consider that euro dollar may rise. Okay, let me adjust it. Okay, why? See, this level is really significant. Why? Because this is the almost end of the gap level. There is a gap level here, and also this is the level where this support, this is the weekly chart, you see back to back how many candle created this level of support, and I think that this price will come up here at the end of the monthly close, and then from here it will come even down to this level or maybe to this level. So it looks like in the future, over the long term, this is the weekly chart, euro dollar will move along this channel. So it is creating a new channel. It's a sign of trend change, not in one day, slowly it does like this. So with that being said, I think that euro dollar will come up here, and then will come down here, and then will come up like this, will start to move up and will change its trend. So let's see on the daily how the price action is forming. Okay, this is the situation. Now what I think that euro dollar will go a little bit up, and from around, let's say 1.220, so around now it is 1.1142, right? So around 80 pip up. Let me check, around 70 around. I think that euro dollar will rise around more 70 pip, not today, maybe anytime, and from here it will reverse again, and then will come back here and will move like that. So because it might go to this range for some period of time. So that's what we will be doing. Euro dollar, this is the hot zone that I will be waiting today, tomorrow, whenever the price will go there. I will see for a reversal pattern to trade to the short side. Smash the like button now, and also don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel. This is the #1 money making channel on YouTube. After 10 minutes we will see high impact news release, and after the high impact news release we might see a change in sentiment, and then I will advise you how we can trade USD CAD. As I told you, see, this is now bearish move. So we see pound USD long term bond brief, don't mind please. Yes, pound USD, let's see what's happening with pound USD and crypto XC AUD USD. Let's see what's happening. So pound US dollar, okay, let's see. Okay, pound US dollar, now after this doji here, we saw that pound US dollar started to move up, but let me check the multi-time frame. So pound US euro dollar is creating the same kind of pattern. So I think that it will go up a little bit until this monthly close. So this monthly may close somewhere here. Okay, so let's say somewhere here, so which will push this price up, and then from there we might see another move towards down. So because if it closes here, that means half red half weak candle, which is a nice candle to trade. Hello user, thank you for live analysis. Thank you Kui for joining. So GBP USD, now let's see what's happening. After this doji we saw breakdown, now retracement. Now let's see on the weekly, then I can tell you what might happen. Okay, weekly, the price after the doji, as expected, the price came down. Now it is going up, and I think that from here we might see a rise around 50% of this doji, and then will drop. So let's see, because this is the end of the month, so there will be a lot of change in the market sentiment. So what I think that British pound US dollar, will go up around this 20 period moving average or along this zone. Okay, from this zone test, even maybe testing this level of support here. This is back-to-back two support here. It created a resistance, and I think that GBP USD will come up here and then will drop again. Okay, so let's see 4 hour how we can trade. Now GBP USD, you see there is a reversal pattern here, and with that reversal pattern basically it is trying to go up. And as I mentioned, that I think that GBP USD will be here. Currently I'm not trading GBP USD because it is not satisfying any of my strategies, so I'm not gonna trade at GBP USD. I'm more interested in USD CAD. That's what I do. When I find a currency trade that is more interested, I always stick to it, make money from one currency at a time. Okay, USD CAD is good pair to trade now. That's what I believe. I could be wrong at any time, but I'm biased with USD CAD for bearish move. Smash the like button if you are with me, but don't take a big risk. If you take a big risk, you might lose all of your money. Alan James, thank you for analysis. Thank you for your compliment. Good afternoon, Vinod. Alan James, please can you check 4 hour time frame? Can you please check on 4 hour time frame? Okay, Alan, let me know what currency pair on 4 hour time frame. So I know that it's a 4 hour, but I don't know what currency pair you are expecting on the 4 hour. Let me know, then we'll go from there. So in the meantime, guys, if you haven't smashed the like button, do it now. It's a real support to this channel, and also hit that subscribe button, press that bell notification, because when you do that, this channel grows and it's your channel. And Charles, thank you for joining, and it's really helpful to me. So let's see what other pairs, AUD, USD, and gold. Gold we already primarily have seen, and we will see again. So gold, what I am thinking that gold may rise from here, because if dollar falls, Okay, looks like dollar will fall, gold will rise. That's what happened. So gold, already I have sent a trade signal to my VIP members early Asian session. Primarily I told them to close. Now later I advised them, when I see this pattern, I told them to run. Hopefully you still running. So in the meantime, if you want to join this VIP team, the link in the description area, follow that link. There is a discount going on, and you learn all the strategies, and also will receive trade signal every day live with me. So let's see what's happening now. As you see that USD non-farm payroll will be released, and we might see ADP non-farm. Let's see Forex factory news area. So you can see that this is where you can find all the high impact news release. If you don't know how to use this, let me know in the chat area. I'll explain. Yeah, that's good. Pound, keep running gold. Let's see what happened, but always make sure you manage your risk. Samuel, thank you for NZD USD. Yeah, we'll go all of them. Alan, USD CAD, yes, that's what I was discussing. I'll go back again. So ADP non-farm employment change, this is a very volatile news, you know. So if you took any trade with a higher risk, close it now. Okay, close it now. If you trade it with 1% or low risk, keep it running. Let's see what happened. Okay, we might see, by luck we will see hit our profit target, or you know, it could hit your stop loss. So make sure you always manage your risk. Now USD CAD, James, let's see. USD CAD, you see this is a strong bearish price action pattern. Yesterday when I was live streaming with this doji candle, guys, who can remember what did I say? That if this doji form, this price will drop, and that is exactly from there the price drop. Smash the like button now if you remember. If you haven't remember, go to my yesterday's live stream, watch that. That is great education for your development. Now at the same time, if you want to join this VIP team, there is a link in the description. Now let me tell you why I'm biased with USD CAD. You need to pay attention with the price action. You know, first of all, look at this doji. You see, this doji is a sign of exhaustion. Secondly, next one created a lower high, you see, and this one followed by a bearish engulfer. Okay, and then see, every time there is another bearish engulfer. Now the price is dropping. So all this, you know, all this confluence is bearish. Now at the same time, this doji you saw closed in this strong level of support. There is a support. Let's see how many candle created this support. There is a resistance tested as a, and also what you see, this is a long-term bearish market on the 4-hour time frame. You see, this is a bearish market. Trend is in our favor. Support and resistance is in our favor. Candlestick pattern is in our favor, and at the same time we saw a false breakout to the upside, broke this channel to the upside, grabbed the liquidity, tested this support as resistance. All the confluence is in our favor, but if it hit the stop loss due to the news release, it's a bad luck. But we are running the trade, and hopefully we will hit our profit target during this news release. Smash the like button now, and we'll I see that a lot of so I'm selling side gold mirrors. Yes, selling side is good as long as you manage your risk. USD CAD, selling is good as long as you manage your risk. Forex wizard, most of the time right, sometime wrong. Okay, sometime I hit stop loss, I get out of the trade. That's why I always trade with proper risk management. Okay, at the same time, let me know why you are trading. It was my question. That's great. Thank you, Alan, for your compliment. USD CAD, can it affect Euro USD price action? USD CAD now basically, you know, running independently. Okay, it may not affect Euro USD because CAD is very strong. You know, so let's say depending on the CAD's strength, USD CAD, you know, may vary, but it Euro USD, let's say Euro became very weaker, you know, or Euro became stronger. So it's a USD CAD now run, you know, playing independently. So sometime you will find correlation, but as you see that GBP USD was dropping, at the same time USD CAD was dropping. So that means that the relationship now changes because of the fundamental change in the market. Okay, thanks for joining this live trading session. We will be now the high impact news release is going to release. High impact news is ADP non-farm employment change. After this news release, we will find a trading opportunity. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button, press that bell notification. This is the #1 money making channel in this industry, so make sure you stick NZD USD and NZD CAD. Let's see what's happening. So Aussie dollar, NZD, all of them in. Okay, so Aussie dollar, what I'm seeing now, after 58 minutes I will understand, but if this one, okay, I can't tell anything until this candle closes, but if this candle closes like this, half wick at the top, half wick at the bottom, and maybe couldn't break this high, I will be more biased on selling rather than buying. So this is the situation with Aussie dollar. I will do full analysis later today. Let the things progress. So let's see NZD USD. So NZD CAD. Okay, so NZD CAD, you see NZD also stronger, CAD also stronger, so that's why it is slowly rising. But let's see the multi-time frame, monthly. Okay, monthly, the price bulls tried to push the price high. So NZD CAD looks like so it's still bullish, so what might happen, NZD CAD may come along this zone, along this resistance, and from here we might see that NZD CAD again dropping. So at this point I would say I will keep aside NZD CAD because NZD also stronger, CAD also stronger. So I think that always try to marry stronger with the weaker. Okay, that's the good idea. That's a good way to trade. Let's see what's happening. Ellen and James, please drop video on candle chart entry. Please drop a video on candle chart entry. Okay, so Ellen, I couldn't understand what you mentioned by please drop a video on candle chart entry. Can you please clarify? Euro CHF by Kakulan. Okay, let's see Euro CHF, what's happening with that. Okay, so Euro CHF, as I told you, it's like euro dollar. It's moving like euro dollar monthly. I am still bearish on Euro CHF. You see this, the monthly candle, and this candle closing. Why? Because you see previous months is a strong bearish candle. This month the price came down, again went up. Now this price rejected from here because you see there is a long weak candle. This is the historically the historical notorious price drop in just 1 day. So with that zone the price came and the bulls got the zone here. So what I think, Euro CHF for the first week of the month, still the price will move along this zone, and I think that Euro CHF will respect this trend line and slowly will drop. So let's see what's happening on the daily. Now daily as well, you saw the price came here, tested this resistance. So this line, let me draw this line again. This line, basically you see there is a resistance here, support here, resistance here. This level tested as a resistance. Now what I think that Euro CHF today will go up again, along the say 50% of this daily long week candle, and then from here may drop. Okay, so let's see on the 4 hour how it looks like. Okay, so this is the situation. Now if the price action is forming is if this one closes as a hanging man, okay, as a hanging man price action, then we might see a temporary drop here. We might see, not 100% guaranteed, but yeah, what I would say, let's say we saw a close on Euro CHF exactly like this as a doji, not breaking this green candles high, okay, Euro CHF, then I might go short with Euro CHF. I like this kind of trade. You know why? Because you see, if you trade this one, let's say if I trade from here, I'll put only 9 pip or 9 pip stop loss, and I'll target, let's say even if I target up to here, I can take more than 1 to 3 risks to reward. Okay, so if this one closes like this, I need it to be close exactly like this, then I might go short. Otherwise, in any other situation, I'll not trade it. I'll wait for if in case the price come back here, or it may drop from here. So let's see what's happening next. Okay, Miras, thank you for joining based on price action. Yep, okay, of course. So let's see what's happening with USD CAD and other instrument. We see that the price started to oscillate. Let's see on the lower time frame how it is looking like in this news release on the 15 minutes USD CAD. So I think that the price will go up a little bit and then should drop, but we don't know what might happen. Let's see. We will be spending time here and see what happened, but I strongly believe that USD CAD even may go to this level, maybe around 91 if in case, and then could drop. So let's see, time to make a trade or time not to. Time to make a trade. Okay, so time to make a trade or time not to is how I trade is, let's say until I find peaceful setup that my mind tells that okay, this is the right trade to trade. No matter what, I don't trade. Okay, if I have a little confusion, I don't trade. So I don't have any specific time to trade, but normally high volatility period. So I will tell you when I find high probability trade, then that timing could be a good idea for you. Comedy TV, thank you for the thank you, Alan. You are also my role model. I always learn from my subscribers, from my students, and also I teach them. We share experience, and that is how we are a team in this business. Okay, Ahmed Khan, I'm trying to make it a living from trading. I had to choose between my job and taking the job. That's a great things to share with you, with others. Listen up, guys, this is the real thing. So my job and taking the job. Okay, see, Ahmed, I have gone through the same kind of experience in my life. Nico, thank you for joining. And I quit my job 3 times, and 3 times I go back again. Every time I quit, when I started trading, I thought that I accumulated an account. I thought that okay, I might I'm Superman, I can make a living from trading. I quit my job because I was not liking it, and in one night I blown out all of them. And then I went back to job again I accumulated account, again I blown out 5 times. I blown out my account. It's okay to blow out, but I didn't quit. Everyone was against me, including my family members, my friends, everyone. Okay, but I didn't quit. I said that I'm letting it to happen. You need to have a strong willpower to hold it and learn the risk management. See, it didn't happen until I learned the risk management. Okay, that is the key. No matter what, as I told you yesterday, this is all about your identity. See, by staying the same, no matter how many times you try, you will receive the same result. Okay, so you need to look at what you are doing. Ask yourself, what I am doing, is this the right action from a trader, or I'm doing it from somewhere else? So if you think that your action is not aligning like a trader, then you have to change that action. Okay, and that's why I am here to help you to change that action, to develop that mindset. You need to have an aggressive mindset as well as the conservative mindset. Together you need to marry them. So that is key feature in trading, guys and girls. thank you for joining Comedy TV and Samuel. So NZD/USD, what is your take it on, sir? Okay, let's see what's happening with NZD/USD. First of all, what I was doing is observing the price action. Okay, let's see on NZD/USD. Okay, NZD/USD. Okay, so after this bullish candle, my analysis was here that if, see, some people understand it in a wrong way. You need to understand what I say in analysis. Okay, don't always say that, okay, I said this way, the price will go this way. Not like that. I always place a condition. That's why I didn't trade NZD/USD. We secured a profit from here, 2 times, 2.5 times. Okay, smash the like button if you secured that profit. Then when this candle formed, so what my analysis was, let me explain. So this is the trend line. You see, this is the reversal pattern formed. Now according to the analysis, if the price remain, that means come there, went there, and then test it, and the rejection, like creating a pin bar or any kind of price action, then I would go short. Now instead, what the price did is the price closed above. Okay, so that means that it is continuation of this uptrend. Now at this point, NZD/USD, I will neither go buy or sell. I need to wait. You see, this is a strong bullish move, NZD/USD. So let's see on the daily what's happening now. Daily, okay, so what I want to see on the lower time frame, let's say on the 4 hour, I will buy if needed. I will buy, not sell at this point. What I want to see are a couple of dodges here creating a higher low, then I will be buying. Okay, so NZD/USD at this point, my bias is bullish. I will not sell in this because it came down here, grabbed the liquidity and then moved up. So it's now strongly bullish. NZD/USD. Alan, I have a bad habit, lack of patience, which I didn't allow the market to play it out itself. Yes, Alan, that's completely fine. Okay, we all have this habit of lack of patience. I will not say it's a bad habit. Okay, it's a habit. This is who we are. We are human. You need to accept yourself first. See, to change anything in your life, not only yourself, outside of you, why it is so difficult to change people is because we don't accept them. To change anything, the first thing you need to do is accept it. It's your or others. Without accepting, you cannot change anything. Accepting means it's okay to be there. Okay, and then you can change. You can create awareness. Awareness is the key. You need to wake up. You need to create awareness. That's why I had posted a video a couple of days ago. You can watch that. That the title is "How Not to Lose, Why We Lose Money in Trading," where I explain that you need to stay alone for some time, because our behavior, our action is governed by our unconscious part of our mind. And there is a famous psychiatrist called Carl Jung. He said that whatever we suppress become our shadow. And when we are child, we say, when you are child, you wanted to do a lot of things. You had a calling. You wanted to be a writer. You wanted to be a musician. You wanted to be a scientist. Your mind was wandering, but society, family didn't allow many things. So what happened? You suppress that quality inside you. That suppression turns into shadow, and that shadow governs our life. You need to bring that shadow. My shadow, when I was young, I was drawn into gambling side of things. Not full gambling. I grown up in a village, and I was abused because of this. And that abuse, because of that abuse, I suppressed that part of myself that want to take little bit of risk, play some gambling, which is like trading. And later I was forced to become an engineer. I studied civil engineering, and that was not my profession, and then I suffered a lot. that turned into, you know, disturbance in my mind, and later I suffered a lot in my life. I went to depression. There's a lot of things. So later when I understood it, I gone through a lot of struggle. I allow myself to be, okay, I'm looking like a gambler. I accept it. Okay, this is my passion, and I turned that gambling into trading. Now I'm a trader. Okay, no matter who accept me or no, I accept myself. You have to accept yourself first, the way you are. Unapologetically be yourself, and then do what you're passionate about. Trading, gambling, whatever you want to like. Okay, this is life, and you need to accept yourself. Let's see what's happening after the news release. We see that USD CAD just trying to push up. Let's see, we'll see what happened. As I told you, I could be wrong at any point. There is no ego in trading. We all are trader. If you are wrong, just say okay, gold spike to the upside. That's great. Our profit target at, I think, 134 point somewhere. So hopefully we will be hitting the profit target on gold. Smash the like button if you are running profit now, and also there is a link in the description, discount going on. Join this team, trade with me every day. See, if you can't join, that's I completely, you know, respect. I know that everyone may not be able to join, but the reason I invite you is because, you know, I try to help you on YouTube, but it take, you know, sometime there's a time delay, and sometime I can't reach you in a quick time. One thing. Another thing is also you want to learn my strategies. I put in video format in my website. If you choose the lifetime access, you will have access to all of them. GBP, CHF, and many of the currency pair. Let's see. I have quite a few requests. Let's see now. Alan, thanks you, sir. Thank you for your comment. Shady went through your candlestick pattern, but and is still finding it difficult to know when bulls or bears are dominant. Shady, no problem. I will clarify when bulls or bears are dominant. Thank you for providing your mentality. Yeah, Nico, thank you for listening. That's what I feel good when I tell my story. I listen to your story. I spend time with, see, whenever you will listen to anyone, they will say successful people, always stay with the like-minded people if you wanna be successful in something. That's why I stay with traders. So even in Sydney, in Australia, I don't know a single trader. I know you. I know trader all around the world. I pick traders who are good, and I spend time with them. You know, thank you, Doug. How are you? Thank you, Doug. I'm good. How are you? Hamid Khan, I'm a civil engineer and I had enough of it. Yeah, I understand it. I had the same thing too. So running profit on gold, thank you, that's great. Let's see what other pairs that we can discuss. Let's see what's happening with GBP JPY. I found a couple of requests for GBP JPY, so let's see what's happening. Okay, GBP JPY. Okay, so let's see monthly. Now this is the monthly candle is going to close. What I think, see, that's what I expected. You see, when you see this candle like that, you can expect it to be bullish. This is a perfectly bullish engulfer. Now let me tell you something. You see there are two dojis on the monthly. Now after the monthly close, I think that this level, the price will come back to this monthly level, and from here will rise up. Now let's see on the weekly. So okay, so that's what I believe. Maybe weekly candle will close somewhere here, somewhere around here, and then from here after the weekly close, maybe next week the price will come down a little bit, and then from here it will rise. That's what I believe. Okay, that's most of the time that's how I approach. That's why things happen in the same way. Let's see on the daily. Now daily, this is the situation. You see the price just bounced from this level of support. So let's see on the 4 hour. Now I think that Gbpusd currently neither bullish nor bearish. It will consolidate or maybe go in a sideway somewhere here, and will come back down here, test this level, and then will be bullish. So I will not sell with Gbpusd. It's a strongly bullish market. Never think of selling in this type of market. Neither I will be buying, because I want to see this Gbpusd coming to an area of value again, creating a double bottom here or a head and shoulder. Then we will be buying with Gbpusd. This is the situation with Gbpusd. So what else we can cover? Let me know in the chat section. Thank you for all of you for joining. I'm on 30% on my free account, and thank you for William sir. Thank you CryptoXC. This is my responsibility, my passion is to help you, because I'm taking your time. I have to put value in your life. This is my goal. Okay, smash the like button now, and also hit that red subscribe button so that you don't miss out this kind of live trading session. I try to make the session as enjoyable as possible, because trading is not all about trading is the most boring profession in all industry, but it's a good money there. That's why people lose money. Why? Because it's a boring. People don't want to feel bored. People want to get excitement, and that's why people take a lot of trade, including me. I used to take a lot of trade. Over trading can ruin your trading account. Do not over trade. Do not FOMO trade. Overcome fear. It's not easy, I know. Still, we that fear is ingrained in our brain, but you need to work on it. Introspection, meditation, any kind of activities will really help if you're serious about trading. Will Eurusd be bearish after 10 minutes as news release of 3-star is there? So we'll talk about Eurusd. Do you normally place your stop loss simultaneously with the trade entry, or do you normally enter trade first and wait for some time? Now, what I do, Duke, let me answer this question. So the question is do you normally place your stop loss simultaneously with the trade entry, or do you normally enter a trade first and wait for some time and then place the stop loss? Okay, so if I place pending order, then I place a stop loss entry altogether because I have time. But if I go by market, then first I find out the lot size calculator. If I do on the PC, I definitely first I never open a trade with a stop loss. So I place the stop loss, place the entry, then I open the trade. But if I am outside, if I trade on mobile, then I first find out the lot size, I sell or buy first, and then I put my stop loss immediately in maybe half a minute. That's what I do. So good, Ellen, that's great that gold hit your profit target. So for those in my BIP channel, I think we almost hitting the profit target, but wait, I think that it will go up further. Hopefully you will hit a profit target, and you can bring your stop loss around 1916. So that could be a good place for moving the stop loss. So let's see what's happening. Euro CHF we discussed already. Okay, Euro CHF is creating a bearish engulfer, but as I told you, I want it to be here before I trading. Gbpusd, Commodity TV. Duke, okay, thank you sir, and saying no problems. So let's see what's happening with Gbpusd. Already I discussed with Gbpusd that it could go rise up further, and from here, or let's see what's happening, we even might see a drop from here. Okay, we need to see how the price action. At this point, I'm not gonna buy or sell with Gbpusd. It could be bullish or it could be bearish. Let's see what's happening. We have to see further confirmation, but I'm more interested on GBP AUD and GBP CAD, because CAD and AUD so far very strong. So let's see what's happening with Gbpusd and Gbpusd. Okay, Gbpusd, we saw that the price is creating another doji, and from here, let's see monthly. Okay, see, this is the monthly candle, came alone here, and then now it is moving up. We might see further drop, or we might see up for retracement, but Gbpusd is still bearish. Okay, it still will be bearish. Now see, if I'm telling you something, if Gbpusd, this daily candle closes, I think that it might happen. Let me tell you something. When I see candlestick pattern time frame, I understand. If this daily candle closes like that, Gbpusd, then I'm gonna sell short again. If this daily candle cannot close above this doji, even it cannot close this daily doji, I'm gonna sell short again Gbpusd. Okay, let's see. That's how I trade normally. I see candlestick pattern. When I see my setup, I just do it. So USD-CAD, let's see what kind of price action it is forming. Let's go back to 15 minutes. You see what happened. USD-CAD is basically spiked to the upside. You see, this is the stop loss hunting during the news release. Now in 3 minutes time, this candle is going to close this 15 minutes candle. This is the 15 minutes chart USD-CAD. Let's see if it closed below here in the next 3 to 4 minutes. We could sell. It could be a good idea to sell short, but as I told you, it's not a trade signal. It's for your educational purpose. If you take any trade, you must do your own analysis and also manage your risk, so that if it trade goes wrong, you are not blown out. Okay. So Ellen asked a question, sir, can someone use Fibonacci retracement at any time to note the key zone based on where the price react? Okay, good question, Alan. You see the price again pushing upside, then not good idea to sell at this point. Okay, so good question. The Alan asking question that can we use Fibonacci level for finding a good level? The answer is no. The only way to find a good level is from the market structure. Okay, keep in mind for the rest. Market structure is only the thing that price respect, nothing else. No indicator, no Fibonacci, nothing else. Fibonacci is only a confluence or added confirmation. Now you might say, then why do I use this 20 period moving average? Why do I use Fibonacci? The reason is because trading is all about belief. You are trading against some other people, some other buying, you are selling, some other selling, you are buying. So what you are basically doing is, say for example, if I sell from this level, okay, now there are some trader who are buying, selling with me from this level. Okay, so I have some with me who trade based on level. Maybe you will find some other trader who use Fibonacci, then you have more confluence. You will find some other trader who is trading from trend line, from the range, you will find more confirmation. So what happened? The more confluence you will be using, the more people you will find in your side. That's the reason. But the only way to understand a price action level is from the market structure. So what is a market structure? The basic market structure is trending, downtrending like this, creating a series of lower high and lower low. So you need to find a swing high and swing low, or uptrending, creating a series of higher high and higher low. So you need to find the swing high and swing low, or in a sideways market, creating a range or any other market structure. That is the only reliable source. And price action, this candlestick pattern, is for entry. Okay, that two combined give us normally the trading opportunity. So let's see what else. DXY competitive, thank you for joining. Zone based where, okay, so let's see on DXY what's. Yes, crypto exit trading is a game of probability, absolutely. Let's see on DXY what. Okay, we see that, you see that DXY currently this is a 15 minutes time frame. I can't trade on. We see that DXY came to this very strong level of support. You see, this is a support here, previously acted as a resistance. This is the 4-hour time frame, came to this level of support, now it created a lower high, and we see that the buyers again, you know, pushing up. Now I think that DXY currently on a level of support, so support and resistance trader, they might be buying from here. And if I need to trade, I will only buy from here, keeping a stop loss below this low. But I'm not trading at this point DXY because it's in a range. If you are a range trader, you can trade from buying, keeping stop loss somewhere here, you know, so that look like in a range. But with the multi-time frame, DXY is bullish. As you can see, after this candle, DXY went up. So like the mirror of euro dollar, is exactly the same as the euro dollar. So that's the situation with the DXY, bullish. Now if you join as a new today, if you haven't subscribed yet or anytime, hit the subscribe button, press that bell notification. This is the #1 money making channel on YouTube, Forex Wizard Trading Academy. I am Forex Wizard if you haven't known me yet. And don't forget to subscribe, there is a lot to take. Mehdi BGS Usdjpy, yes Mehdi, thank you for joining. Let's see Usdjpy, what's happening now. Usdjpy is strongly bullish market. Couple of minutes, maybe couple of moments earlier we discussed. Let's discuss again monthly, weekly. Okay, so let me repeat that analysis that I did before. Usdjpy, okay, from here we might see a drop, okay, but what I see that, you see, this is the weekly chart. Let me explain. And with this weekly chart, this 2 days, after 2 days this weekly candle will close, but before that the monthly will close. You see, monthly 1 day 9 hour. So with this monthly close, what I think that USDJPY will drop further little and then will rise up again. That's what I think. Okay, so let's see. With that being said, weekly, now what I think that from here USDJPY will drop again and then will rise again. Okay, so let's see now how we can correlate this information. Now you see USDJPY has created this structure. This is the daily level of support, okay, and at the same time let me draw this trend line here. This is the long-term trend line. Okay, let's draw all of this. Now let's go to the 4 hour. So what I think that dollar yen, so what I will be waiting, first of all, how the price react with this level, that means in 121.17. so still there is a, you might say, okay, what if I trade this one to the downside? You could trade, but I'm not gonna trade. We might see after this candle close, because it has created a lower high, we might see dollar yen maybe dropping. Okay, but I'm not gonna trade because it's a strong bullish market. Okay, it's a strong bull market, and I'm not gonna trade until the trend become very tired. First thing. Second thing, I will be interested to buy only on this one if I see the price came down here to this level, created a double top or inverted head and shoulder for another push to the upside, and then I will be considering buying dollar yen. Dollar is very strong so far, so I will be in the buy side with the dollar. Okay, smash the like button and also don't forget to subscribe. If you want to join this winning team, there is a discount going on, link in the description. We just almost hitting the profit target on gold. I think gold has created this, the 4 hour time frame. You saw there is an inverted head and shoulder visible after 1 hour 25 minutes. If this candle closes something like that, we might see another one coming down and then could potentially see a rise on gold. Let's see, at any point it could fall, so nothing is guaranteed in trading, so make sure you manage your risk. So this is the situation with the gold. Let me know if anything. Good evening Gbpusd for joining. So let's see what else we have to cover. Let me know in the chat section why you are trading. Let me know what's the reason you are trading. I saw some of you tell that you wanna quit jobs. That's you know, but don't quit your job until you become consistently profitable, until you have enough fund to trade, because it could, you know, make you more unstable. Better to trade part-time, because what I understood later that if you don't have any other things to do, let's say I'm a now full-time YouTuber, full-time trader, I have my own business, so I am independent, but if you don't have anything to focus on, then only for trading, I will not say that it's good idea to quit everything and only for trading until you have enough for your you know, run the family, or if you don't have a support from the family, then definitely it will be hard for you. So let's see what else we can cover. Gbpusd CAD, Miraj was asking. Let me see what's happening with. Okay, so this is the Gbpusd CAD. So let's see what happened. Now Gbpusd CAD, the only thing here is it has created an inverted head and shoulder here, but the price action is bearish. Okay, so pattern is bullish, the price action is bearish, but I think still that Gbpusd CAD could drop from here. So this is the situation with Gbpusd CAD as well. Thank you for joining this live trading session. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button, press that bell notification. Every day I do live streaming, I do live trading, and you see USD CAD, as I told you at the starting of the stream, I am bearish with USD CAD, and looks like it is happening. And if USD CAD drops, you might see drop like this, you know, like this, and then retracement and like this. So what I will do, we are already running one trade with USD CAD. If it drops a big move, then if slow retracement, 1 or 2 doji, I'll sell again. That's what you need to be. The trader are like this, who, you know, when trading, take the big one, you know, be aggressive when you are on the winning side. When you are losing side, be very, very choosy, get out of the trade with minimum loss. That is trading. That's the real attitude of a trader. Okay, Gray Kelly, thank you for Gray for joining. Gbpusd, should we avoid trade Euro USD pair for now? I would avoid now until I see further confirmation, because Euro USD now not giving. So USD CAD is in a good place to trade like this. You know, when I see that the price action is supporting for trading, then I will be trading. So AUD CHF also, you know, the price, if this one closes here, as we see a bearish engulfer, we could see the next one hopefully will drop, because this is a it has created a reversal pattern here, but at any point it could go up. So who knows? It's with the market. Our job is to manage risk, trade from an area of value, and then manage risk. Last one I will do Euro GBP. Okay, Euro GBP, that I was thinking, Euro GBP is now looks like over the long term it's bearish. Okay, Euro GBP is a bearish market. You see, this is a long term bearish market. So that's what you need to first of all find out, the direction of the trend. Trade with the trend with minimum risk, take a big profit from the market. That is the attitude of trader. Weekly as well, we saw that the price, you know, came to this level of resistance. Now we see primary rejection. Daily, okay, daily is creating like a dodgy kind of candle. Now Euro GBP, I think that we might go short. Let me wait for this candle close, because this is a, you know, perfectly bearish engulfer. And what I think on Euro GBP, if this one closes as a bearish engulfer like that, I think that Euro GBP will create a head and shoulder again. There is a doji here. We might see another push to the upside, or may not see another push up, and we might see a drop, because it's a long-term bearish market. and I will be waiting for a short setup with Eurusdjpy. And I saw that many of you joined this live trading session. Thank you for subscribing and thank you for liking this live streaming. I'm really grateful to you for helping me in this channel, and at the same time, don't hesitate to ask me any question. If you even can't join the VIP channel, ask me question in the comment section of the videos. There's a lot of strategy videos in this channel. Every day I'm posting that are gold mines. Watch that one, and after one you will find a lot of value in it. Thank you, and I'll see you soon tomorrow, trading live with the USD-CAD, because there will be a news release on USD-CAD, and we'll see how we can find further trading opportunity. Thank you for joining. See you soon tomorrow.